Good morning, dear children. Let us continue the chapter pronouns, and today we shall discuss the topic possessive pronouns. We'll study what is a possessive pronoun and what are the difference between possessive pronouns and possessive adjectives. Possessive pronouns are the pronouns which show the possession or belonging, which express the ownership that something belongs to whom. So, the words such as mine, ours, yours, his, hers, its, theirs, all these are the possessive pronouns. Let's see this example. This pen is mine. It means pen belongs to me. It's my pen. Okay. If I say this pen is my pen, so what will happen? The noun will be repeated. So just to avoid the repetition of the noun, we use the word mine. This pen is my pen. You can see pen is repeated. Instead repeating, we can use another word, that is mine, which shows the possession that something belongs to me. This box is yours. If I say this box is your box, in this sentence we can see the noun is repeated again. Just to avoid this repetition, we can use some other words which can be placed instead of noun and also show the possession and belonging. This box is yours means the box belongs to you. Now, possessive forms are framed from the personal pronouns. Now, the table will help you to understand. You can see here on the board how we have framed the possessive forms from the personal pronouns. For I, the possessive form is mine. We, ours. You, yours. He, his. She, hers. They, theirs. It, its. Dear children, usually we avoid using its as a possessive pronoun. So, rest all you can see here, mine, ours, yours, his, hers, theirs. Now, the important thing is to learn about the difference between possessive pronoun and possessive adjectives. The other here table will help you to find out that. Look at the table given on the board. Here is the list of personal pronouns, possessive adjectives and possessive pronouns. Why there is confusion? Why we should know the difference between them? If you see mine, mine, our, ours, your, yours, his, her, hers, its, their, theirs. You can see here these two words are same, these two words are same, and in other words we can see the slight change. So usually students get confused in recognizing possessive adjectives and possessive pronouns because they look similar. We can see similarity in both the forms. Now let us see what are the difference between both possessive pronouns and possessive adjectives. Now let us focus on the difference between possessive pronouns and possessive adjectives. As you know, pronoun is the word which is used instead of a noun, which replaces a noun. So a possessive pronoun is used instead of a noun. But possessive adjective is used to describe a noun. As you know, adjective is the word which describes a noun, which modifies the noun. So this is the difference. Possessive pronoun is used instead of noun possessive adjective is used to describe a noun. Another one is possessive pronouns possessive pronoun comes after a noun. In a sentence, usually we see the possessive pronoun after the noun, but possessive adjective comes before a noun in a sentence. Let's see the examples. This book is my book, not your book. Here you can see this book is my book, your book. Here we can see the same nouns are repeated number of times. Book, book, book. Clear? Just to avoid the repetition, it sounds repetitive. Just to avoid this repetition, we need some other word which is known as pronoun. But here it shows the possession. So we have to use possessive pronoun. Clear? Here we have to replace a noun. Also we have to use possessive pronouns which express the possession or belonging. So we can write this way, this book is mine. Instead my book we can write mine. This book is mine. Mine means my book. Here we avoided repetition of the same noun, not yours. We have used possessive pronoun just to avoid the repetition of the noun. We did not say your book, instead that we said yours. Clear? So this book is mine, not yours. Mine and yours are possessive pronouns because they are replacing a noun and showing the possession. Next example is my car is bigger than her car. My car is bigger than her car. Here the word my is describing a noun. My car bigger than her car. So it is possessive adjective. My and her are possessive adjectives because they are describing a noun. Another point to recognize, possessive pronouns come after the noun in a sentence, but possessive adjectives come before the noun in a sentence. Car is a noun. Before the noun we have used the possessive adjective. Here you can see mine is possessive pronoun which is used after the noun book. Clear? So this is the simplest thing to find out whether the noun whether the word is possessive pronoun or possessive adjective. Pronoun replaces a noun. Adjectives qualify a noun or describe a noun. Pronouns usually take place, possessive pronouns usually take place after the noun in a sentence, but possessive adjectives usually take place before the noun in a sentence. So I hope the topic possessive pronouns and possessive adjectives are clear to you. Thank you.